अच्छा सुनो, सब्सक्राइब करते वक्त ना घंटी बजा देना, ताकि जब मैं ऑनलाइन आऊँ तो तुम्हारे फोन की भी घंटी बजे.
The catchiest subscription note I have come across. She is funny, ambitious, full of life, inspiring many people with 5.3 million subscribers and 691 million views on YouTube. Yes, she is none other than mostly sane, Prajakta Manoj Kohli. She always wanted to be a radio jockey. She believed in having a plan and sticking to it. She had no idea that life had different plans for her. While working as an intern at the radio station, she realized she did not enjoy the job. And one day, Hrithik Roshan visited the radio station along with One Digital Entertainment, which became a turning point of her life. As Prajakta is a huge fan of Hrithik Roshan, she did not want to stop herself from meeting him and making a little Instagram video with him. Sudeep Lahiri, who accompanied him, was impressed by her and suggested her to start a YouTube channel of her own. That's how Mostly Sane started on 12th February 2015. She uploaded her first ever video, Types of Singles, on Valentine's Day. Prajakta's videos are mostly based on day-to-day life events. That is why a major number of audience find it relatable. She says that all my content is observational and it comes from my personal experience. I like making notes in everyday life and then flesh those ideas into video later. She started uploading videos on every Thursday at the initial days of her channel. As her subscribers, whom she proudly calls dum-dums, were increasing, so was her content. She started uploading her videos on every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. In the year 2019, she hit a mark of 1 million subscribers. In many of her interviews, she mentioned that there was a point when she almost decided to shut the channel because the subscriber count was low. Videos were not getting the response as expected. In the initial days of her channel, she received a lot of hate. She never really bothered about hate. She overcame her failure, she learnt from her own mistakes, and today she has more than 5 million subscribers. In the year 2016, on the occasion of World Mental Health Day, she released her debut song Shameless, which was about body shaming. The song today has 8.4 million views, which featured various artists like Raftaar, Mithila Palkar, RJ Malishka and many more. In 2017, she was invited to meet former US President Barack Obama at an event organized by Obama Foundation in Delhi. In 2018, her career hit a milestone as she was an Indian representative for YouTube Creators for Change. She also won titles such as Viral Queen of the Year, Forbes Under 30, Cosmopolitan Magazine YouTuber of the Year, etc. In 2020, she came up with her first ever YouTube original series, Pretty Fit. As the Indian ambassadors in the YouTube program Creators for Change for the second consecutive year, Prajakta came up with a second YouTube original with the former First Lady Michelle Obama, helping young girls overcome barriers to education and finding empowerment through her video platform. She was also a part of the virtual graduation ceremony, Dear Class of 2020. Prajakta always says that YouTube was a twist of fate. Her hard work, dedication, and commitment to the content creation has brought her where she is today. Her parents and friends are always supportive in everything she does. She always mentions that her parents are her mentor and always follows their saying, you can be below average, you can be definitely above average, but never settle for average. More than 300 and plus fan pages on Instagram and million of followers, she has also become a social media influencer. Prajakta is humble, down to earth, and she is always thankful to her dum-dums for whatever she is. She influenced many lives and will continue to do so as long as she can.
Love, love.